The big flight is in 10 hours. Am I packed? Not really. Is my laundry at least dry? Well, I think you know the answer. I hate packing. Like, honestly, just look at this. So, I've been thinking how I, a person who knows very little about packing and is absolutely the worst at it, can make a video about it and share any wisdom's thoughts on packing. Well, I cannot. My mother would always tell me that people should learn from their mistakes, but smart people learn from others' mistakes. So here is your dumb example on what not to do. You're welcome. I packed pretty much everything and forgot to put this in my backpack. This. So I have to repack. I think I'm done. And I've got 5 extra minutes to go. What do I do now? I'm on my way to the train station when we are going to meet up with Yuyu. Hopefully she's a little bit better at packing than I am. How did your packing go?
I think it went well overall. Hiking stuff, I packed everything. I brought 4 pairs of shoes.
Good. Well, it turns out that my driving license is still in Japan. So there will be no driving in our journey. But we figured out that it's actually better. Because now, as we cannot rent a car, we can save even more money. Cheers to that.
Hi.
Thank you for being my guest tonight.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about things about how to pack and how not to pack. So, what is the biggest dump that you did while packing?
Definitely overpacking.
Overpacking. What did you overpack?
I packed cute fits, basically. I decided to take this huge dress that I would maybe not wear a couple of nights, and then it took up almost 1/4, almost half of my suitcase. But I was going to take it until last minute. But then I had priorities. I had other things I wanted to pack. So I left it.
For me, it was mostly my camera gear. So the biggest thing I had to take is my tripod. Actually, 2 tripods, but like camera tripod it's really huge. It's heavy, and I know it takes space, but this is just really what I need. I'm gonna use it almost every day. So it's just important for me. And then my camera, all the chargers, batteries, lenses, everything. This is super important for me. So I don't care about good fits. So I don't have much clothes, but I do have a lot of camera stuff. What about you?
This one camera, 1 lens, and I was about to bring my tripod too, but I knew this guy would bring a tripod, so I left it home. Yeah.
That's actually another to communicate, because there's plenty of stuff when you're traveling with someone. There's plenty of stuff that one person can take that you both can use. So like hell blow dryer.
Yeah, blow dryer.
So like hair blow dryer, or a tripod, a toothpaste, this kind of stuff. Like you don't need to double it. Most of our destinations are summer destinations, kind of hot, but then we're going to another place which is like 10 Celsius degrees or even lower, So we also needed to take that under consideration and pack all the warm clothes, but the ones that don't take too much space. So yeah, it was challenging.
Yeah, shoes take up a lot of space, but yes, you won't regret taking rain boots. At least, and hiking boots.
Yeah, so hiking boots is like a must-have. Well, I actually wore them to the plane so that I don't have to put them in my backpack because they are super heavy and they take so much space. So I just wore them to the plane. It wasn't like super inconvenient. So
That's smart.
yeah,
I should have done that too.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. You did a great job.
Okay, so that's it. You can learn from us or you can learn on our mistakes. See you in another video.
Bye!